Did you know that rebounding can help with singing, painting, and even cooking? Yes, because it helps with dexterity and coordination. In today's video, I'm going to help you with some steps that's going to help you in those areas. All right, so let's get started. Start with a health bounce. Pushing down on the mat, getting the lymphatic system moving by pushing down left and right. Make sure you tighten the core, engage that core. Relax the shoulders, they're down and back. Soften the knees. All right, just push down. That's your basic health bounce. Just warming up. Bring your arms up. All right, let's step touch. Push down, add a little bounce. All right, keep it going, Cheryl. See, after a while, I've already done one video today though. Okay, good. Let's do some heels. Add some arms. Push forward. Now push back. Push back like this and squeeze the glutes as you're pushing back. All right, let's go back to the health bounce. Now, circle your arms. Forward. And back. Now, overhead. Yep. That's true. Believe it or not, rebounding can help you if you are a vocal coach, a singer. Get you a mini trampoline. It's going to help. If you're a painter, yeah, 10 minutes a day. Cooking, they give you ideas, creative ideas. All right, let's go. Out and in. Pop up a little bit. Rebound. Let's go. Start with either left or right, doesn't matter. We're going to switch to the other side now. Out and out, in. Add the arms. This is level 1. We're going to kick it up a notch in just a little bit to level 2. Good. Now bounce out and in. Use the arms. This is a half jack. Now we're going to go to a cross jack. Squeeze the inner thighs, works the pelvic floor muscles, lower abdominals. All right, back to out and in, half jack. When you're ready, we're gonna bring it up, out, all the way. You can do it this way with your arms, or you can bring them all the way around. Now, pop the legs up. Jumping jacks, so much more fun on the mini trampoline than they are on the floor. Low impact doesn't jar your body. Back to half. Rebounding for better health. Now, cross jack. Good, finish there. And shake it out. Now we're going to do some combo moves. The first combo is going to be a surf to a twist. Surf, one side, push the hip out, switch to the other side. Ready? Good, other side. 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 4, and now twist. Pushing down, really engaging the core, working the lower abdominal muscles. My favorite. Good. Front to back. You can kind of do to the corners, to the front, to the corner. And to a hopscotch. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. All right, step side to side. Basic bounce. How you doing? Good, shake it out. Now, if you need to get some water, you can step off and hit pause, get a drink of water if you want. Now we're going to do knees up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2 and 2. One and 1. Level 1. Ready to go to level 2? Kick it up. Go. Bounce. Pull those knees up. Make it harder. Hold your arms over your head. Working the cardiovascular system, getting the heart rate up. All right, back to knees up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. Now go corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. Crunch, 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 crunch. Shake it out. Step, kick. Step, kick. Step and kick. Did you get my free PDF yet of my top 10 benefits? You know there's over 200. If you want it, just type free in the comments. And that'll send you to a landing page and you can get it free. All right, kick, kick, kick. Kick it up a notch. Kick. Sunshine today. Good. You got this. Working on balance, coordination, dexterity. All right. Slow it down. All right, shake that out and let's go. Ready? Let's do a hamstring kickback. Kick, kick, as high as you can. And when you're doing that, use your arms now, pull and pull. Try to bring the shoulder blades together. Good. Let's go to scissors. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Sometimes if you say it, it's easier. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Now singles. Really pop the legs up now. Good. Now, low run. Use athletic arms. Work on these arms. Down to the end. Yay, finish strong, come on. Come on, you got it. Quick, quick, come, pick it up. Yeah, rock side to side. A little joyful jump. Get a little air. And slow it down to heel lifts, pushing that lymphatic system, toxins out. Are you engaging that core? Make it tight. Let's bring the heart rate down. Oh, my glasses are falling again. All right, just a health bounce. All right, let's breathe. Blow that air out. You can breathe through your nose if you want. Deep breathing helps. Circulation, the lungs. Yay, you made it. You made it to the end with me. Thank you so much for joining me. And you know what to do, right? Hit like, subscribe, share, comment below if you want that free gift. Remember that beautiful PDF, 2-page PDF. It's really pretty. My first one. And me and my editor got that together for anybody who wants it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.